Hello, this is a kind of cookery video, but I'm not sure if it's cookery really, making a drink. We're both veterans of the German feuerzangenbowle, a burning rum mulled wine drink. Somebody told us about a drink called Rudesheimer Kaffee, so we thought we'd give it a go making one. It's meant to be made with sugar lumps. I'm just using some sugar which I've kind of made a bit damp here and then dried out again, so it's a bit granular-y because we don't actually have any sugar lumps handy. And we're going to use some of this 68% rum. I think you should be able to make this with a 40% alcohol, like whiskey or brandy, anything that you can set light to. But this is the special official feuerzangenbowle stuff. We've got some coffee, which we've pre-made in the cafetiere here, and squirty cream. This is actually chocolate squirty cream, which is usually made with just normal whipped cream or squirty cream. But let's see what happens. I'm going to put this sugar into my glass. I've chosen a glass which I figure probably won't break if it has something burning in it, but if it does, I think this one's not too cherished. Okay, that's the sugar in. I've got an extra long spoon here because I'm going to need to stir this around while it's burning, and I want to make sure my fingers aren't directly above the flame. So I'm going to put in a bit of rum, not tons of it. That'll probably do. And I'm also going to put a little bit in the spoon. That seems like a safer way to light things.
Do you want me to hold it in the spoon?
That should be okay. And I'll put the rum out of range. So I've got my little lighter here. See if I can light that up in the spoon and then set light to things later. Is that burning? Not sure. Don't think it is. Yep, I can see some flames there. I'm going to turn out the light and see if we can light this up. There we go. So we'll stir that around. This is supposed to be caramelising the sugar. I hope the glass doesn't break. And my hand is nice and out of range of that flame, so I'm glad I used a long spoon. Now this is my favourite bit. We're going to put the fire out with coffee. So let's do that. I hope it doesn't break the glass. Brilliant, glass didn't break. And my assistant is going to do the squirty cream. I'll turn the light on again. Squirt away. Whoa! Wonderful. And that is our version of a Rudesheimer Kaffee. And it's definitely worth making in a see-through glass, because you can see all the effect of the stuff oozing down there, which looks rather attractive. The ones I've seen done in official German cafes are done in what's probably a special Rudesheimer Kaffee cup. But I think doing it in a glass looks nice as long as it doesn't crack with the heat and cold. So, are you ready to try the Rudesheimer Kaffee?
Yeah, I think I am.
Or the British version of it.
So it feels warm, the glass is quite warm.
Mm-hmm. I guess it's got hot coffee in it. Is the kid necessary to enjoyment of the coffee?
I don't know how to drink it.
I think you're supposed to drink it through the cream and just get cream on your nose.
Yeah, it tastes like rum and sugar and coffee.
Yeah. Do you think the burning actually has any advantageous effect, or is it just really for visuals?
I don't know really, I'm not an expert on what rum tastes like, so it's hard to know whether... I mean, it's quite nice. And it does have a slight... Yeah, there is a sort of burnt taste going on in there.
Excellent. So it probably is worth doing all the burning...
Yeah.
Opticals, as you might call it.
Yeah, I think it's... Yeah, I certainly add something to it. Yeah.
Can I try a bit just behind camera?
Yeah.
And I'll give my opinion. I don't usually drink caffeinated coffee, so this is going to taste nice anyway, because caffeinated coffee tastes so much nicer than decaf. It just doesn't agree with me. Mm. Mm. I'm glad you can't see this on camera.
Did you like it?
I do like that, but I don't know if I'd go out of my way to spend a lot of money on having a special burnt sugar rum thing in a cafe. I'd probably just go for a hot chocolate or something, and maybe not even with the cream. But it was an experience, and it's fun to do, and not that dangerous either, and doesn't really take a lot of effort.
No, it's quite easy, wasn't it? I mean, I guess as long as you've got the overproof rum, but I think I'm going to go back to my normal coffee now.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and do have a go at that if you fancy it. Cheers.